Hey, to our friends in and around Durango, please keep it up. Those snow dances are finally working. Hey, what's up everyone? Brett here with Weekend Provides, and this is your Weekend Warrior Wrap-Up for February 27th. Those that made the trek down to Wolf Creek this weekend were handsomely rewarded with a storm total of 42 inches, 33 of which fell in one day. That is insane. Just like Wolf Creek, the winners of the storm were the central and southern mountains. After the storm cleared, those temperatures did drop quite a bit out there, and it took a hardy soul to be out there in the snow. Hey, let's check out that social calendar. Ladies, please be sure to check out Bold Betties open house tonight at their headquarters. You'll have a chance to connect with others interested in the outdoors, learn about their awesome adventures, and their new affinity program. On Wednesday, join our friends at National Geographic for the Mappy Hour, where Jess Martin will give a presentation on the descent of all 14ers that are rideable in Colorado. Thursday, it's off to Boulder, where Neptune Mountaineering will have John Kodowski and John Fielder reviewing both their new stories in the latest books, Classic Colorado Descents and Colorado Winter, respectively. Saturday, Meier Ski will again be at the Shush Bomber Ski Club in Breckenridge this Saturday. Stick around after for some pierogies and polka as the Polska party is going off. It'll be a great time. Details are available on the Shush Bomber site. It'll be a great week. Hope you all are having a great time and be able to join us. Until next time, pray for snow, celebrate when Weekend provides.